uncertain about the sales funnel, then you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you the 4 stages of the sales funnel and how it can help you to attract more customers. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video to help you grow your business using digital marketing strategies. So the sales funnel is also what I like to call the customer journey, because it's the journey the customer takes from never knowing about your business to becoming aware of your brand and business to purchasing from you. And understanding and implementing the sales funnel is what helped me in my coaching business to go from 2 clients to 26 clients and generating over 50K of income in 4 months. And I'm excited to help you get your business in front of more people to help you grow. So let's dive in. The first step of the sales funnel is awareness. In this stage of the funnel, you're placing content about your brand and business in front of a very wide audience. So some content examples that you would place in front of this audience would be blog posts, infographics, ebooks, checklists, videos, or even paid ads. So when you place this content in front of this wide and new audience, not everyone is going to be interested in your brand and business at this point, and that's totally okay. The goal is to find the people who are looking for what you have to offer. So in this step, your potential new clients will self-identify from reading or watching your content, because the content will focus on what that potential customer's needs, desires, or problems are, and provides them with information, education, or insights on how to get what they want. So if the information, education, or insights that you provide in your content resonates with them, then you have now connected with them and gained their interest. So these are the people that will then move to the next stage of the funnel. So the next stage of the sales funnel is called consideration. So this prospective customer has now identified from your awareness content that they do have a need, a desire, or a problem that they need a solution for. You've gained their interest and you've connected with them, and now you need to build a relationship with them. So in the consideration stage, you're creating content that is helpful and valuable to the prospective client, but not product or sales driven. So some examples of consideration content are social media posting, email marketing, paid ads, blog posts, or guides, to name a few. So we've been through the first 2 stages of the funnel. What are your biggest insights so far? Or what is your single biggest insight? Let me know in the comments below. I can't wait to hear. So moving on to the 3rd stage of the sales funnel is called decision. In this stage, the prospective client has now decided they do need a solution to their need, problem, or desire, and they're making the final decision on what action to take. So in this phase, you need to be creating content that is product and service focused. That content can be through social media, email marketing, your website, or paid ads, to name a few. So the decision-based content must highlight the benefits and features of how working with you or buying your product will help them. So when they understand this, they can trust they are making the right decision when they purchase. So once they do buy from you, the sales funnel still isn't over yet. There is a 4th step called the post-decision stage. So this is the stage when your prospective client has now become your client. So in this stage, it's crucial to make sure that you have deliverables or content that give your buyer confidence and peace of mind that they've made the right choice. All right. So if you're struggling with marketing your business online because you don't have the time or energy to do it or to figure it out, I'd love to help. So if you'd like to learn more about what digital marketing strategies would work for your business, send me an email to tina@susodigitalmarketing.com and let me know what you need help with. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because in the coming weeks, I'm going to be breaking down the sales funnel step by step. So don't forget to come back next week. See you later.